Hello friends, and I welcome you to Azure DP-200 certification course. I'm very delighted to have you join me on this course, which is bound to be an educational and delightful adventure into the world of Azure DP-200 certification. First of all, let me congratulate you for considering taking DP-200 exam, which is one of the hot certificate in current job market now. Now, according to Nuvo, the average salary of an Azure data engineer is around $150,000. And if you're expert in your field, you can get up to around $190,000 or $200,000. And according to 2019 dice.com report, there was an 88% year-over-year growth in the job posting for data engineers. And this is the highest growth rate among all the technological jobs here. So you can see that the data engineer role is really in demand in the market right now. Now, if you look at the Microsoft website, Microsoft is going to retire most of its on-premises certification very soon by Jan 2021. And now Microsoft wants to focus more on the role-based cloud certification. So if you're still working on on-premises database technologies, there cannot be a better time to take certification and move towards the cloud technology. Now, if you look at another research report, it says that 35% people says their salary has increased after taking the certification. Now, my intention to give you all these facts is to motivate you. Whether you take this course or any other course, or you do not take any course, these facts will still remain true. So moving back to the Microsoft website, to become an Azure Data Engineer Associate, you have to clear 2 exams. One is implementing an Azure data solution, that is DP-200. And designing an Azure data solution, that is DP-201. Once you have both of these certificates, you will get final certification of Azure Data Engineer Associate. And this course covers the complete syllabus for implementing an Azure data solution, DP-200. And the focus of this exam is how to implement data engineering technologies, how to create them, how to manage them, how to use them, or how to configure them. And once you have a good understanding of these technologies, you can take the second exam, that is designing an Azure data solution, in which Microsoft is expecting you to have a more mature understanding of these technologies, like in which scenario, which technology you should use, and why you want to choose this technology and why not other technology, like that, where you can compare these technologies among them. I have a separate course to cover DP-201 certification exam. You can take a look at this course to get the more information about this exam. Alright, so let's go into implement an Azure data solution. And here you can see the description of this certification. $165 is the cost. And if you go a little bit below here, you can see the syllabus of this course. And this course has 3 sections: implementing data storage solution. Second is manage and develop data processing, and the third is monitor and optimize data solution. I have created a slide to give you a better understanding what we are going to learn in these sections. Alright, so I'm back to my slides here, and in the first section, implementing data storage solution, we have 3 subsections. And in these 3 subsections, we are going to learn about Azure storage, especially blob storage, Azure Cosmos DB, data lake, SQL Server, Synapse Analytics, or SQL Data Warehouse. We are going to see some of the security features, especially data masking and encryption. And in the second section, which covers the 25 to 30% portion of the exam, we are going to learn about the data factory, Databricks, and streaming service. And the last section, which is monitoring and optimizing data solution. Now here you can note that this is still 30 to 35% of the exam. And in this section, basically, we are going to see how we can monitor all these technologies we covered in the first and the second section, and how we can optimize these technologies. So monitoring and optimization plays a good, important role in Microsoft certification exam. So my name is Ishant Garg. I'm data architect, and I have been working around data for last almost 15 years, mostly Microsoft data technologies. And this is my LinkedIn profile. I would love to be in touch with you. Please send me a friend request. And this is my website, which I have recently started developing and trying to make a useful resource for everyone. Now, once you complete this certification, you are going to get this badge, which you can use on your social media account, for example, on LinkedIn, or you can use on your resume, which will be helpful when you present your resume for interview. And once you complete 201 certification also, you're going to get this certification, Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer Associate. So now, why you should not buy this course? If you're not very comfortable in English or Indian accent, I would suggest not to buy this course. There are many videos I have made available for preview. So please make sure you look at those videos and make sure you are comfortable in English. Also, now we have more than 50,000 students of community, and you can imagine that it is impossible to reply back and answer all the questions of all the students. So if you're looking for personal assistance, or if you're looking for someone who is always available to you to answer all of your questions all the time, then this may not be the best course for you. Now, who are intended audience for this course? Anyone who wants to clear DP-200 exam, this course is going to be very helpful. This course has everything you need to clear DP-200 exam. Or in general, if you want to learn Azure Data Services, this course can be helpful. Now, you don't need to have any of the certification before you start preparing for this certification. For example, you don't need to have AZ-900 certification. You can directly take this certification. You don't need to know any programming language to start preparing for this certification. So for example, you don't need to know Python or Scala or PowerShell or any other language. You can directly take this course. All I want you to have is understanding of database basics and maybe SQL basics. That should be enough for you to start preparing for this course. And in case you are absolutely beginner in database field, I would suggest you to take DP-900 certification, which is designed around database fundamental. And I have this course for DP-900 certification, which you can refer. Now, this course has more than 18 plus hours of video content, practice test, quizzes, demo resources, study material, and everything you need to clear this certification is included in the course. This course is also have full lifetime access. So all the future updates Azure is going to have, I'll make sure to keep update this course, and you'll have all those changes free. Now, once you complete this course, irrespective whether you take a DP-200 certification or not, you are going to get a certification from Udemy, which you can also share on your social media account. And your purchase is also protected by 30-day money-back guarantee. So for whatever reason, if you don't like this course, if you realize that this is not for me, you can just return this course and you'll get your full money back. Now, I hope that you are as excited as I am, and you're going to join me in this journey of DP-200 certification. Thank you.